Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to mention about two important topics. So one is basically the guys who are in technology, who work day and night to bring up products, to work on different softwares. So one of the habit, like some of them basically read number of websites, Google lot of things, and then learn by themselves through experience. Whereas there is one more category who most of the times rely reading books, so which I feel is the best habit compared to googling, because googling might give you results, might be if it is a standard website or a guy who has posted as experience might put out a good data, but sometimes it might mislead to and might lead to errors in your development. So that is one category. Now the second point which I want to mention is basically if you are like a engineer who has enough experience and wanted to train people, so you need that planning, you need that like basically experience in teaching them, and then you must have a structure that is defined where you can train those people and get and bring them up to take the challenges. So the first thing is basically how you do that is the important thing. Now coming to the point, so today why I wanted to mention these two topics is for this particular book, which is called which is basically written by Sanjeev Acharya, who has 20 years of experience in industrial domain, and I just wanted to give you a review of this book, which is begin with Arduino. So Arduino, we know it's the basic board where the students as well as engineers who wanted to learn programming get started with. You might have seen lot of books on Arduino, lot of articles over internet over Arduino, but I feel this particular book you see here has drawn a lot of interest, at least from my side. You can just have a look. We will post a mail ID where you can write to us if you want to buy this book. So coming to the review of this particular book, this book if you see is written in such a structured manner that whether it be engineer or student or whether it is a school going guy can easily understand. So when you are developing embedded systems, when you are programming, when you are doing hardware, basically you need tools, you need what is happening, what is your need for the development, you need to know basically, and then how to bring all these together. So considering these simple points, you need to stitch all of them together and then come up with what you want to develop. So this book basically helps you to do that. So I have seen several books. I have a habit of reading, but where one starts with the development environment, goes on describing till one or two chapters how to install, but that is good. But still, going to some extent by 2 to 3 chapters, you will lose interest in reading the book. This particular book you see also initially starts with the tools, but it doesn't go into the details so that you lose interest on the book. It just touches that, and then the important point is once the tools are touched, next it goes to the comparison of the various boards which compete with Arduino, and then what are the features of Arduino, and what you need to interface, how you can interface sensors, and then how you can program the Arduino. So such a structured manner in which this book has been written, and especially I learned a lot of things. There are a lot of comparisons with respect to the competitor boards of Arduino, or the boards which come in the same category as Arduino, and especially for students or the guys who want to begin programming. I would suggest Begin with Arduino by Sanjeev Acharya. A nice book written in a structured manner, as I said, and another point to be taken here is basically there are books written by several people. So there could be a book written by academician. So the books written by academics are more focused on the syllabus that is covered in the academics, with little lesser application level ingredients or the real time scenarios. Well, while they will be touched, but you look at them more of artificial rather than naturally involved in the book. And then there are other things like other guys who write books outside their domain, because they learn things and do. But if a guy who is experienced, who has passion, who can put his interests in a book, and who is eager to train guys to bring them to a level so that industry can benefit out of it, then such a book would be helpful to everyone, to the industry, to the people, to students, to engineers, to budding engineers basically, and that's a great service to the industry. I specifically categorize this book under that, and I would love to have this book with me, and especially if you are looking to learn or start with Edino, you can have this book. Please, we have mentioned a mail ID. You can write to that mail ID if you want this book. You can just go through this book or by yourselves and provide a feedback. Thanks for watching. Please let us know your comments after reading this book, because guys like Sanjeev Acharya should write more books like this and help the industry. Thank you, guys.